everyone, this is Trent with All Things Automotive. Thank you for shopping. Thanks for clicking that play button. Today you're taking a closer look at our 2020 Kia Niro EV EX Premium. With just over 29,000 miles, this Kia Niro does feature an all-electric motor and is front-wheel drive. In the front, you will find this Kia well equipped with daytime running lights and high-intensity headlights and LED fog lights integrated into that lower bumper with your charging port right in front. And making our way around to the wheel and tire setup, you can see a 17-inch alloy wheel wrapped up in a nice Michelin tire, and we'll get to the exact tread depth of those tires here in just a moment. On the outside of this Kia, you will find turn signal indicators integrated right into that mirror cap, passive door entry, and a powered sunroof. Looking inside, you'll have some very unique elements here. You'll have leather, light blue stitching, high gloss black with that very unique design. And as you can see, that's going to continue throughout the entire interior of this gorgeous all-electric vehicle. And of course, you do have these beautiful leather bolstered seats, again, with that blue piping and blue stitching. Looking into the back seat, your passengers will have plenty of space and they will enjoy features like that flow-through center console, fold-down cup holder, carpeted floor mats, and powered windows. Looking at the rear of this Kia, you will notice it is equipped with a rear camera, rear proximity sensors, and bright LED tail lights. And in the back, you can see you have plenty of space, but if you do need more, those seats will fold flat on an 80-20 split. And of course, it does come with all your charging accessories. Coming up the driver's side, you will notice this vehicle is also equipped with blind spot monitoring and passive door entry. And making our way inside, you will notice all your power options like power windows, door locks, and mirror adjustments. And here at All Things Automotive, you will receive 2 keys for your added convenience. And as you can see, this key fob is equipped with lock, unlock, liftgate release, and panic. And located in the glove box of all of our vehicles, you will find the multi-point inspection sheet. Here you can see the front tires are 8/32, and then the left rear is a 6, and the right rear is a 7. Brake pads are green, good to go. Along with everything else, it's ready to go for the next buyer. And upon startup, you can see just over 29,000 miles on this Kia Niro EV. Let's take a look at the steering wheel mounted controls. You'll have some audio controls here, and of course you do have the capability to pair your phone via Bluetooth. And over here, we'll have some cruise control options and some adaptive cruise control options as well. And let's bring our attention to the center display here. You can see this vehicle is equipped with onboard navigation and of course a very nice backup camera as well. I'm going to go ahead and access that with our dial style shifter here, as we can see, and you do have those rear proximity sensors. And down below we'll have some simple radio controls, standard with Kia. And then here we have our climate controls with some charging beneath with some storage. You have some wireless charging right here, USB, 12 volts, so plenty of charging options, plenty of storage options. And of course down here to this very unique center style console. Of course you do have ambient lighting all the way around, which makes that very nice. And you can see this Kia Niro is equipped with heated and ventilated seats and a heated steering wheel. Other features will include a drive mode selector, proximity sensors, auto hold, and an electronic parking brake. And of course you will have a nice deep storage console here with some more charging. Looks like a USB up top. You will have your emergency services integrated right into that glass. And then you'll have your controls for your beautiful powered sunroof. And under the hood, you will find your all-electric motor boasting over 200 horsepower. And when fully charged, you can expect a range up to 240 miles. In this last portion of the video, this is where I'm going to go over any dings, dents, or imperfections you may or may not find on this EV. Keep in mind, it is a pre-owned vehicle. None are perfect. We like to make them as clean as possible here at All Things Automotive. And this is a helpful resource if you're watching this and you live further away from the dealership. We thank you for shopping with All Things Automotive. This next portion is for you. Starting up front here, minimal stone chipping. Nice white metallic pearl coat here, shining right through the showroom lights. Of course, you will have some minor cosmetic blemishes here in the front, but all in all, pretty good shape. Let's take a look at the wheel and tire setup. No curb rash on those wheels, we like that. Not a lot of blemishes here on the paint match mirror cap. We also like that. High gloss black seems to be intact. And all your trim around the outer doors, very good shape. Sometimes on this material, you will find some fading and discoloration, but that's not the case with this Kia. Let's take a look inside. I didn't notice anything wrong inside, guys. Did take a look at this vehicle prior. High gloss black, very good. The seats, very clean. Headliner is very clean as well. So no rip stains, tears, or odors in that interior. Definitely not smoked in, which is super important. Let's take a look at the back seats, all your carpeted floor mats. Everything looks super clean here, guys. I think you'll be very pleased with the condition of this vehicle. High gloss black spoiler here, in good shape. No cracks, no condensation buildup in those tail lights. As you can see, no dents or dings in the vehicle body. No curb rash on that wheel. Chrome trim all the way around, looks good. No discoloration on that door trim. And all the way up to the driver door mirror cap, everything looks good. So if you have any more questions, give us a call here at All Things Automotive. A couple ways you can get a hold of us. You can call us at 717-485-4224, hit option 1 for sales, or you can go to allthingsautomotive.com where you can shop online 24/7. And guys, you can even get yourself pre-approved. It's super easy. It only takes 10 minutes of your time. So come on out and see us at 21518 Great Cove Road, McConnellsburg, Pennsylvania. Again, my name's Trent. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.